click on the subscribe button and remember to press the bell icon for regular notifications from our digital blogger. Hello friends, welcome to our digital blogger. Today we're going to talk about books. Well, it may sound boring, but in case you're looking for long-term investments, in case you're looking to pick stocks on your own without believing what others have to say, then you definitely need to go back to basics. If you are a beginner, then certainly the need is more immediate. You need to start from the very scratch. You need to learn from the experiences of investors who have penned down their thoughts in form of books. Now in this video we will talk about the top 7 books for fundamental analysis. We will give a small summary of each of these books and certainly the price as well. In case you're interested, go ahead and check this out. The link of these books are mentioned in the description of the video. Let's get started. Before we start, I would like to just tell you that don't go with what others have to say. It's your money. You have to make sure whatever you're investing this into, you have the understanding of it. Your friends might say, well, why are you wasting your time reading books? You can do your analysis on your own. Well, if you don't really understand the ABC of investing, it's very difficult for you to actually make some money on a consistent basis. Now, the first book in this particular list is Security Analysis Principles and Technique. This was written by Benjamin Graham and David Dodd back in 1934. So it's very old sort of a book, but the best part of the book is that the authors of this book have seen the Great Depression, the World War I, and at the same time the observations of the investor reactions based on the stock market movements happening during these events. Now these are some of the very tough times when the stock market has to face. Now Great Depression in 1929 is in fact arguably the #1 biggest concern share market of the US has ever seen. World War I, the whole World War I was including different countries, be it the Europeans, be it the Asian markets at the same time, so everybody was impacted. So this gives you what is the worst that can happen, and at the same time how can you basically learn from those concerns. Now this book is priced at 3,600 rupees. It's definitely on the expensive side, but still it's more of a classic sort of a book. Now the next book in this series is Fundamental Analysis for Investors. Now this book was penned down by an Indian author called Raghu Palat in the year 2015, so not that old. It's a very good book for beginner level traders who are looking to move their feet into the share market. They're looking to put money into the long-term investment stock classes. So for those kind of people, for those kind of investors, this is an optimal book. It's an easy to read book. It's by an Indian author. Price is 329. Very value for money kind of a book, and you can certainly try that out. Then we have the 5 Rules of Successful Stock Investing. It's one of the most successful books ever that has been written in the share market, specifically from the long-term perspective. The book is written by the director of Morningstar named Pat Dorsey from the Department of Stock Analysis. This is a good guide to the investors who want to invest in the share market and earn consistent profit. Now the 5 rules the book talks about has sort of different threads to it. Now the rule includes research idea related to stock, choosing the right stock for investment, and another wide range of different topics related to stock management. So just to give you a basic highlight of this book, it was published in the year 2005, focuses on how to analyze companies, stocks, industries, and how to make the best use of research techniques. It's pretty exhaustive, so if you're a beginner, I will not really recommend you. If you're an intermediate level trader, certainly it could be a good start for you. Then it is priced at $12.50, not that expensive, somewhere around the middle range. The next book in this list is Intelligent Investor. This book definitely makes in every list we talk about, be it the top books of share market, top books on fundamental research, top books for beginner when we talk about the stock market from different perspectives. The Intelligent Investor from Benjamin Graham definitely makes the cut. It was published in 1949. The book talks about value investing. It does not really talk about how you go about, how you use your money. It actually talks about value investing, how you can get the best of the values from the money you are investing in the share market. And at the same time, it also talks about how do you develop long-term strategies. Now, this book is priced at 400. I'm talking about the paperback edition. Then there is Fundamental Analysis and Position Trading. This book is written by Thomas Bulkowski. Now the book talks about 4 different types of coverages in a very comprehensive manner. It was published in the year 2013. It is optimal for a beginner level trader who is looking to have a focus on different types of investing, especially when you're looking for a long-term investment. The book is priced at 3,600. Definitely it's one of the pricey ones, but at the same time it talks about a lot of things at the same time, making sure that the fundamental analysis keeps at the heart of it. So you can give it a try, you can check out the reviews and then probably go for it if you want. Then we have Futures Fundamental Analysis. As the book name suggests, the book talks about futures trading, and within futures trading, if you want to perform fundamental analysis, then this is a very specific sort of a book, published in the year 1995, and it has a very specific audience base for it. So certainly the number of buyers for this book will be limited, but at the same time, if you prefer futures trading, derivative level trading, and then you're more looking to make fundamental research into it, then this book is optimal for you. It's priced at 5,500 rupees, and this is what happens when you are a very sort of an expert, when you are very looking towards a niche kind of an audience. The material, the content covered in this book will not be available in other forms, in other books by other writers. So that is why it's little on a pricey side. Then the final book we have is Mastering Fundamental Analysis. It starts from the very scratch. The book was published in the year 1998. The book depicts its meaning by itself, which is for those investors who already have a good experience of fundamental analysis, but they want to sharpen up their knowledge. So that is why it is relevant for intermediate level traders who want to move up the ladder to be an expert level trader. They want to brush up their skills and probably learn few new methodologies. The book is priced at around 1,700 rupees. So all the books are in the range of as low as 300 to as pricey as 5,500. It really depends on the kind of preferences you have. Don't look at the price, look at the value it's going to give to you at the end of the day. Then these were the 7 books we wanted to highlight to you. The books we have covered have come after an exhaustive research, looking at the customer reviews, talking to people who have read the book, getting the feedback from the readers, and definitely some online research as well. If you want to have a detailed look at this particular book analysis, you can check out digitalblogger.com/research/fundamental analysis books. If you want us to suggest a broker that matches your requirements, if you're a little confused there, check out the other link, digitalblogger.com/free callback broker choice. Put in your details and one call back will be arranged for you. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye-bye.